What's the plan with the van then? What are we going to do with it?
The first plan is removing everything, bumper, lights, bonnet, all the grills, everything, mirrors, doors, exactly everything, and start preparation, sanding down, like a preparation for paint. Where's the places there or something like that, filler work, sanding down, making panels nice, flat, perfect, and then make it ready for paint.
Perfect. We'll do a little sample of how the sanding work will do in a moment.
We try first that, we're gonna see how it's good and is that gonna be good enough quality for making the paint.
Okay, perfect. Hello and welcome to PB Motor Group's YouTube channel. So this is the first recording that we're doing for part 2 of the restoration of the Vauxhall Astra van. So today we are at MK's Smart Repairs with Martin over there. So he's hiding somewhere. I think he's a bit camera shy. So we're going to talk you through to what Martin's actually done to the vehicle so far. So as you can see, most of it's all yellow now. He's taken off all the boot lids. If we take a walk around to this side, majority of the van is now yellow. Does it look better than it was? Possibly. So looking back at this side of the vehicle, as you see, it's all yellow. Doors out, speakers out, the seals are out, wing mirrors out. Martin, it looks like a scrapyard over here. He's still got the front to do. He's going to be taking the windscreen out to get to all the little corners and stuff that we can't get to. We have found a chip on the windscreen, so again at the end of the project we will be replacing it. This is still exactly the same. I was a bit upset that he removed PB Motor Group from the actual bonnet. I did tell him off for that earlier on, but he said he had to. Coming up this side. So now we have decided we are going to fully restore the wheels. As you can see, there's a bit of scuffs going around, just a bit of curb rash. We are going to be removing that. But only thing that we don't know what to do is whether to restore them to silver or keep them as black. Let us know what your thoughts are, comment below. So Martin, how are you finding taking off the paint?
Say again?
How do you find taking off the paint? Are you enjoying yourself?
No, I'm not enjoying it. It's really very good, but it has to be done like that.
Is a van kurwa?
It is big.
Martin, what's the next step now? It's almost ready for painting, right?
Nearly. It's so close to that level. The next level still is there some bits still have to be removing. That, but the first thing we're gonna do it is making flat the roof and paint the first roof, and we're gonna see how it's gonna be look. If that everything is gonna have the quality what we were expecting,
Yeah.
we'll be keep going.
Okay.
We'll see shortly.
We'll see. Any other issues? Any other costs you're going to be billing me for?
Wiping that down.
So welcome back to the paint shop. So it's Saturday night at 10 to 8 in the evening. Martin's working late for us tonight, just to get the work done as quick as he possibly can. The paint that we're going to be using is frozen white, is H2, which is the highest the grade paint you can purchase. As you see, he's done a bit of a tester over here. You can see a massive difference. Literally just changes the whole van itself. So I can't get very close. As you can see, there's a lot of spray back. As you can see, Martin's over here. He's doing the first coat on the roof. Then we're going to see if it does react with the paint. If it does, we'll look at another solution for us. So this is mainly sort of more of a test patch than anything else. But just by obviously looking at it already, you can see a massive difference to the van already. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing the finished work.
How do you feel?
Good. Normal day.
So 2 coats have already been painted. As you can see, a massive difference. The paintwork is like glass itself. There's a few bits on there, but that'll all polish out. Once the van's been fully painted, it will have a full 3-stage machine polish as well. And then literally it will be like glass. Further update will be coming in a day or so. So tomorrow he's looking to create the 2 sides, and then there's the door, the boot, and the bonnet, and the panels. So we'll keep you posted. So this is day 2 of the recording for the Vauxhall Astra van. It is Sunday afternoon, but it's not going to stop us. Martin still agreed to work throughout the whole weekend to get progress on things as much as he can. So we're on the way to the body shop now, see what progress he's already made. I believe he was going to put filler on one of the sides to cover up the dents, etc., sand it down, get the one side ready and prep for spraying. One of the other side is already ready for spraying. I am going to be asking Martin if I can get hands-on today and give the side a little spray. I've never done this before, but let's see how it goes. So we're back at the workshop now. So we've come, as you can see, the bumpers have been taken off. The roof's done. It's had 3 coats, as you can see, all nice smooth, just needs a polish now. Lights have been removed. This side's still yellow. It had a bit of a dent there, so it's filled it up. It's going to be smooth prepping it for paint. It's roughly about 2 hours to dry before we can paint it. So that's just standstill for now. Likewise, again, here it's put some filler up here as well to remove the dent. As you can see from inside of the vehicle, it's even more looking like a junkyard since more and more bits are coming out. Moving to the front of the vehicle, front bumper's been removed. We found that there's a leak from the radiator, so we're just going to go pick up a new radiator for the vehicle. And at the same time, we're going to be doing a oil and filter change as well, just to get the engine running smoothly again. And likewise this side's ready to be painted. We're just waiting for the other side to dry before we can paint this side. So hopefully I'm going to be painting this side, so we'll see what the quality of work's like shortly. So we've just come to Euro Car Park to pick up the radiator and oil filter for the van. This video isn't sponsored by Euro Car Parts, but if you do want to sponsor us, direct message me. So it's 10 to 8 on a Sunday evening. We're back at the body shop. As you can see, I'm in full PPE this evening. As you've seen from an earlier clip, we did go to Tool Station to purchase the overalls. I think it looks pretty decent. But don't worry, this video is not sponsored by Tool Station. I did pay for my own PPE. So yeah, it's back at the body shop. As you can see, the vehicle's all prepped, all masked up, all ready to be sprayed. You see some primer over there. And then, as you can see, you see all the black on the underseal over there. That's stone guard. That protects the vehicle from stone chips as well as corrosion. It just lasts a lot longer. A lot of the newer vehicles does come with stone guarding. Some of the older ones don't. So Martin, why are we using panel wipe to wipe all the panels down?
The grease make them recycle all the dust, everything.
Oh, so you're just cleaning the surface before we paint it?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So what we're looking to do, paint both sides today?
Both sides and the seal.
Both sides and the seal. So yeah, I still don't know if Martin's going to allow me to paint. We're going to ask him nicely, and hopefully he's going to let me have a little go. So we're all ready to go. Martin has let me agree. He's agreed that I can only do the door shuts. He doesn't trust me with anything else. So here it goes.
You know how it works, yeah?
Yeah, just spray it and yeah, and then just.
Two sides, yeah?
What?
Two sides.
So Martin, how was my paintwork?
It's not bad for the first time.
It's not bad for first attempt. Okay, I can go with that. Would you give me a job? Can
Later on,
I come work for you full time?
We can think about that. More practice, why not?
Okay, cool. I'll send you my salary amount tomorrow.
Okay.
So just an update for you guys, as you can see, the whole side's been sprayed white. It's had 3 coats all in all. As you can see, a large improvement to what it was. There's still obviously a few imperfections in the paintwork, but Martin's going to be polishing that out towards the end of the work. So yeah, so let's just have a quick look around. As you can see, all the door shuts and seals have been painted as well. Let's just go into the driver's side. Even the petrol cap's been done. So yeah, I'm impressed with the work so far. The van's looking good. However, we have got loads more work to do on the car. We'll just take a look around over there and I'll show you what still needs to be done. So this is our storage facility at the moment. As you can see, we've got the boot lid, the 2 doors, front rear bumper, the wings. That all still needs to be prepped, painted, and then the bonnet still needs to come off, be painted. So we're going to call it a wrap on this video, but stay tuned for more. Give us a like, share, subscribe on our YouTube channel at PB Motor Group. It's also at PB Motor Group on Instagram, so give us a like.